Hello and welcome to your weekly review of all that glitters in the city of gold. For the last 7 years, every episode of High Life Dubai has been a celebration of the luxury and glamour that is Dubai. And tonight is nothing less. With all signs of winter out the back door and spring in the air, local makeup brand Mikyagee gives us a heads up on what's going to be hot in makeup all this season. An evening of art with the talent of young Iranian artists at One by One follows. To many, it's heels that are a woman's best friends, and I got mine signed by the creator himself. It was a delight meeting Giuseppe Zanotti. Dubai recently welcomed the divas of Indian fashion at Studio 8, Ritu Berry with Farah Khan Ali and Nandita Mehtani. Followed by a peek into the world of the Big Boys Toys 2012. And a meeting up close and personal with the cricketing star Sreesanth. So let's get this show on the road only and exclusively on Sony Entertainment Television. You're watching High Life Dubai Season 7.
Keep living the high life with Huma.
The best thing is to look natural, but it takes makeup to look natural, famously quoted by Calvin Klein. It's funny yet true. Good makeup can remove many flaws and years of your face. It's always important to know what works for your face and what doesn't. So as spring sets in, let the experts at Mikyagee show us what's going to work all this season. Mikyagee is one of the fastest growing cosmetic brands in the Middle East. Launched in 1999, Mikyagee was ranked 29th in the Forbes Arabia Top 40 Arab Brands, an incredible achievement for a brand that was born just 10 years ago. Being creative and fun has made Mikyagee one of the leading cosmetic brands in the Middle East. Divided into 9 categories, including color cosmetics, skincare products, and makeup tools, the Mikyagee product lineup is guaranteed to ensure that you will always be able to find the perfect product to suit all your needs. Mikyagee is created keeping in mind the extreme temperatures in the Middle East, and over the years they've also introduced some products that specially suit South Asian features and fashion.
The first look that we're doing is with Minx, and it's all about a pop of color in the eyes. We've used a beautiful tangerine and yellow tone for eyes. And again, you're going to see the very natural cheek. I mentioned earlier a beautiful natural cheek. So focus really is on eyes and a pop of color on eyes. And then what we've done is we've finished that off again with a tangerine with the lip gloss for a nice natural finish. So it's not going to be too much color all over the face, but it's certainly very sort of summer, very celebratory.
So that was a look for the day. Let's see what would look great for a glamorous evening out.
The evening look is something we've achieved with our brand 22K. Now, 22K really is about glamour. So it's a perfect marriage between this look, the gothic trends that we talked about, and this brand. The look that we've gone for here is, firstly, in terms of eyes, that little bit of gothic with the incorporation of the metallics. Silver is huge this season, absolutely huge. So we've done a very simple but glamorous eye with a little bit of a smoky metallic effect, and we finished that off with the matte, bold red lips that we mentioned also were going to be hot this season.
personally think that makeup is an art and the best strokes are the ones that look good on you. And talking of art, let's go over to the grand one-by-one art gallery and admire the fabulous artwork of young Iranian artists. One by One Art Gallery in Al Quoz has brought in artists from many parts of the world. And this exhibition is from a group of young artists from Iran. The exhibition is called No Subject. No Subject means no social, religious or political connections. And it's a show of 10 Iranian artists living and working in Iran. The exhibition works as a medium for the artists to freely share their latest thought-provoking ideas.
These artworks are made by fiberglass and very good technical for showing, for presentation of artworks, and very flexible and very not heavy. And this car is hanging because our life is hanging. We are not fixed, we are flexible.
The concept of my work is identity is not that much important. The commons are important. We are all humans. So better to feel as a group, as a team, instead of focusing on the differences.
It's interesting to see the kind of art that is coming through from Iran. Impressive, and hoping to see much more.
As a gallery, we started off specializing in Indian contemporary art, but recently, a few months ago, we've done a tie-up with Vida Haidari, who's an Iranian art curator. And so now into our gallery program, we've incorporated 2 or 3 Iranian art shows on an annual basis.
I guess Iranian art is very new to Dubai right now. But I guess looking after it's very inspirational.
Very nice. I've enjoyed being here. I haven't seen Iranian artists displayed before. It's been a very nice experience.
With so many varieties and colors available in the market today, it's important to remember that the best color in the world is the one that looks good on you. And with that, let's take a short break. See you in just a bit. Coming up after the break, we have the ultimate in fashion and glamour with Giuseppe Zanotti and legends of fashion from back home, the fabulous Ritu Berry, Farah Khan Ali and Nandita Mehtani.
Keep living the high life with Uma.